Okay, what we have in here is some sort of poster welcoming the people that work or study abroad, and they are going back home for Chinese New Year, which is very common in China, right? So you will be seeing this poster in, I don't know, outside the rail stations or bus station, things like that. And what it says here is welcome back home. So let's break it down. Basically it's Huan Yin, Hui Jia. Hui Jia. So Huan Yin altogether is welcome, and Hui is going back somewhere. Actually, going back somewhere is Hui Chu, but when you use it to come back home, coming back home, is actually Hui Jia. Okay, so let's break this down and see how we can create these characters, right? Okay, starting for Huan Yin. Starting from Huan, right? So this is a two parts, right? 1 and 2. Maybe, I guess we can do it this way. So let's see. 1, 2, and 3 in this order. Starting from the left, going to the right, and going from the top to the bottom. So, yeah. Good. Yin. It's a little bit more complex. So 1, 2, and 3. So this time you're not going to start from the left, you're going to start from the center, go to the right, and then finish with the left. Okay, it's a lot of characters that work actually like this. Okay, so let's go for it. This Huan is, I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 strokes. Okay. Yin is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strokes. Okay, so we're looking at 7 strokes right here. Okay, let's start working on them. Huan, 1 and 2. The second part, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 2 here and 4 here for a total of 6. Let's go to the side. Yin. As I mentioned earlier, we're going to start on the center. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, for a total of 7. Huan Yin, welcome. Let's move on the second part right here. Hui Jia, which means coming back. Okay, Hui Jia, we have right here Hui, and this is going to be very typical, right? It's 1. So how it's going to work? Let's talk about this one first. Okay, let's see how this thing works. This is slightly different. 1 and 2. So first the outside and then the inside, and that's going to be the norm very often. And then we have Xia, which means house. It has 2 parts actually, 1 and 2 right here. 1 and 2. Okay, so funny, the bottom part it actually means chu, which means pig or pork, right? That's what this thing is. And then you have right here a little roof, so maybe that's the meaning, right? An animal inside under a roof means a house. I don't know, maybe. Anyway, that's what it is. Now, Okay, so let's go for this part. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. As you can see, both are the same, so 3 and 3, let's make a 6. Okay, notice that I don't do this. Okay, you might think, oh, this is a box, this is easy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's not how this thing goes. Okay, boxes, this kind of boxes, this kind of radical, this is a radical anyway that is called co, it's for mouth, right? Represent the mouth. Always are going to be drawn the same way. Okay, and that is this way: 1, 2, and 3. And in the case you have something inside, which very often is going to be the case, you go 1, 2, work whatever is inside, and then close the box. Okay, give an example here. For instance, let's say yuan, which is the Chinese currency, right? It goes something like this. Now, this inside a box means also pronounced yuan, but means park. So it's like this: 1, 2, go inside the box, finish my box, and I close this. So this means yuan park. Okay, so good. So we have 6 for Hui. Let's go for Chia. Okay, I think you're gonna need a little more spacing here. So okay, let's do this right here. So first, let's work on the roof. The roof, we're gonna need 3 strokes for the roof. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna go for the bottom, for the little pig. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are kind of attached to the previous one. Then we have 4, 5, 6, and 7, and that makes yeah, that Ming's house. Okay, so let's put it all together. Let's put all together. Hui, sorry, let's start again. Huan Yin, Hui, Hui Chia. Okay, Huan Yin, Hui Chia. Welcome back home.